The eyedropper tool can be used for finding color values and for choosing colors for your foreground and your background. Now, not only can it copy colors from anywhere inside your image, but it can copy colors from anywhere else on your screen. So the first thing you want to do is set the eyedropper to specify the number of pixels that it's going to sample. So up in the options bar, you can click the drop-down menu. And first we have point sample. Now this gives you the precise value of pixels that you click. Then we have 3x3 and 5x5 averages, which gives you the average value of the pixels under your cursor. Now 3x3 is usually the recommended option. This will average the color of the 3 closest pixels to the area where you've clicked. Now these color values can all be read in the info palette, which is right over here. Now if you don't see your info palette, just go up to Window, click Info, or hit F8 on your keyboard. Now as you can see, when I move the cursor around in my image, the info palette is giving me my RGB values for what is directly below my cursor. Now this is great if you have a color shift in your image and you need to make an adjustment. Now if you just want to select a new foreground color, you can just click anywhere inside your image. So let's say I wanted the green as the foreground color. Just click, and there it is in the foreground color box. Now you can also use the color picker by clicking on your foreground or background squares. So there's the color picker, and this allows you to select a very specific shade. So you can click anywhere inside this box to select the shade. You can use these arrows to select whichever color you want here. Click inside, hit OK, and that's the new foreground color. Now if you want to select a color from anywhere else on your screen, just click inside your image and drag. Now as I drag, notice how the foreground color box is changing. Now to pick the color, you just release the mouse button, and that's the new foreground color. You can also use the eyedropper temporarily while another tool is selected by holding down the Alt key. So let's say we have our brush selected, hold down the Alt key, there's the color picker, choose the color, release the Alt key, and it takes you back to your brush tool.